Olaplex and Ouai are popular brands in the hair care market, with Olaplex focusing on environmentally conscious products. Both brands offer a range of hair care products including shampoos, conditioners, and treatments. Ouai uses smart technology to lock in moisture and prevent breakages, while Olaplex repairs and adds shine to the hair. Olaplex products are designed for maintenance and repair, including products for pre- and post-coloring treatments. Ouai products offer maintenance, repair, and nourishment, with a thicker consistency. Ouai has a wider range of products for different hair types, while Olaplex takes a one-size-fits-all approach. Both brands recommend using their entire kit for best results, but Olaplex is known for delivering amazing results. For professional quality and protection, Olaplex is the winner. For a diverse range and affordability, Ouai is the winner. Both brands have unique formulas and are priced similarly, but the choice depends on specific needs and hair type.